That's right, thank you so much for that song by Maroon 5.
Yes, ayan, meron tayong jumper, our first jumper.
For tonight.
And birthday celebrant. Ayan, happy birthday, Beth. Right. Namin ko pagkain. Ang sarap. Sibuyas pa lang yun. Once again, our birthday celebrant.
Take your eyes off me so I can leave. I'm far too ashamed to do with me. You watching me. This is never ending. We have been here before, but
Ang galing naman ni Bebe. Happy birthday ulit. Mamaya ulit, Be. Galing. Wala lang sa kanya si Adel, no? Tapos ang boss niya.
Easy lang yun sa kanya, easy.
Easy lang, no? Alright. Tuloy-tuloy lang po tayo. Pwede po kayo mag-request at makijump dito sa amin. Baka po sa mga bagong dating natin na guest ngayong gabi. Enjoy the night. Here, tapag lang ng at Samyupsal. Ayan. And then sa ating mga live viewers, pwede rin po kayong mag-request dito sa ating mga screen. Ito. Mag-comment lang po. Alright, we will give the song something from Olivia Newton-John. Guess mine is not the first heartbroken. My eyes are not the first to cry. I'm not the first to know. There's just no getting over you. I know I'm just a fool who's willing to sit around and wait for you. But baby, can't you see there's nothing else for me to do? I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. Did you push my love aside? I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. My head is saying, fool, forget it. My heart is saying, don't let go. Hold on till the end, and that's what I intend to do. Masusunod na rin. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide. Did you push my love aside? I'm out of my head, hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Alright, thank you so much. And that song was Olivia Newton-John. Eh, pwede po kayo mag-request. At tayo namin yung mga request niyo guys, mga ating manonood ngayong gabi. At sa inyo rin po, ayan, sa aking mga guests, pwede po kayo mag-request.
Yes, that's
at
right.
makijamming.
And now we give you our last 2 songs for the sets, and then we have 2 more sets to go.
Yes, standby lang po. Wala pong uuwi.
We had the right love at the wrong time. Guess I always knew inside I wouldn't have you for a long time. Those dreams of yours are shining on distant shores, and if they're calling you away, I have no right to make you stay. But somewhere down the road, our roads are that you belong with me. Sometimes goodbyes are not forever. Doesn't matter if you're gone, I still believe in us together. I understand more than you think I can. You have to go out on your own so you can find your way back home. But somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter where. Somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see that you belong with me. Letting go, it's just another way to say I'll always love you so. We had the right love at the wrong time. Maybe we've only just begun. Maybe the best is yet to come. 'Cause somewhere down the road, our roads are gonna cross again. It doesn't really matter where. Somewhere down the road, I know that heart of yours will come to see. You belong with me. It's writing so much in that song is by Barry Manilow. Now we give you our last song for the set. It's sung by Bonnie Tyler.
If I say you outside, will you always remember? Will you hear it on lonely nights when I'm not around? If I see you outside, will you hear it forever? To remind you how much I care and how I needed you. The love song lasts longer than lovers ever do. So baby, let me sing a love song for your last song for yourself. Let's start